Today we will see a brand new packaging for cotton swabs. That is blister pack cotton swabs. The entire production line is fully automated, substantially reducing costs. Simply input the stick material, cotton sliver and glue. The machine will produce the cotton swabs, which are then sent to the drying oven. After camera inspection for defect rejection and replenishment, they are fed by suctions into a 6-station rotary packaging machine for packaging. Station 1, automatic insertion of blister pack. Station 2, automatic insertion of inner liner paper card. Station 3, automatic insertion of cotton swab. Station 4, automatic insertion of packaging paper card. Station 5, automatic heat sealing. Station 6, grabbing the finished products, punching holes in the top. The finished products are sent to the cartoning and palletizing line. It is recommended to connect 5 cotton swab machines to 1 automatic cartoning machine to improve packaging efficiency. The cardboards are open to form cartons. When the finished products reach the designated position, a mechanical arm automatically grabs and places them into the cartons, followed by automatic tape sealing. The above is an automated packaging production line for blister pack cotton swabs.